Next video. In today's video I will show you how to generate a DALL-E image using OpenAI's API. So firstly, as usual, what you will have to do is I'm using Google Colab, but if you want you can use Jupyter Notebook, or you can just create a Python project as well. I will show you how to do it both in Python as well as in Node.js. So if you will first have to install OpenAPI. So I'm installing the OpenAPI dependency, then I'm importing OpenAI from OpenAI. Sorry, I meant OpenAI over here as well. I'm not sure why I keep calling it OpenAPI. So import OpenAI from OpenAI, and here you will have to assign your API key. So here forget about this, you can assign your API key to something like this. So if you want, you can directly pass your API key, or you can this thing is specific to like Google Colab, but if you are not interested in Google Colab, you can directly pass your API key something like 1 2 3 4. Now where to get the OpenAI API key? So you will have to go to openai.com/API keys, and here you can generate your API key. You will have to do is you will have to go to this URL, platform.openai.com/docs/guides/images, and here you can specify whether you want the code in Python, or you can toggle it like Node.js or in Python, or if you want a curl request you can do that as well. And here you can see that they have literally provided us with all the code. So all I have done, if you see inside my inside my Google Colab, is you just have to pass a prompt. So here I can I am just generating a YouTube thumbnail using this, and if I click on enter, it will literally give you the image URL. Just be careful that this image URL won't be available for a longer period of time. I think the max duration is 1 hour, so it's better, if you want you can just save it locally or whatever. So if I just copy this URL, and if I go to this particular URL, also be careful, this DALL-E 3 is a little costly. Like you can use, like I'm using free credits now. I have not registered my credit card, but they give you $5 as free credits. Yeah, be careful, if you use it multiple times, you will quickly use your $5. So it's taking a little time to load, but I hope you have got the idea of how you can easily generate thumbnails or any kind of images using DALL-E with OpenAI's API. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.